This is a 2008 Toyota Prius Touring. Very good condition. Hybrid vehicle, great on gas obviously. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like every one of our vehicles, we do a 125-point pre-owned inspection. It will need nothing mechanically or cosmetically. It is the Touring model. You'll be lucky to find a door ding in this thing. Very, very clean. Like all of our vehicles, we tried to get them as close to new as possible. Tires are in great shape. Gray cloth interior, gray or light beige. I call it a light beige, I guess. Original floor mats. Backup camera. AM FM CD. 135,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. No rips, stains, or wear marks anywhere. Perfect vehicle for students, or those looking to save on gas. It is running. So, this is a 2008 Toyota Prius Touring in wonderful condition, perfect cash car, needs